And a good day to each and every one of you. J7409 here with you with your weather news today. The name you know, the news you can use. And the picture today, I took it, folks, right outside my back door. Check it out. I'm sure many of you have seen one of these before, but they're really unique. This is a lunar moth, or sometimes they're called moon moths. They only live for a week once they get to this size. I thought it was very beautiful. I wanted to share it with you. Like I say, they only live about a week when they get to this size. They don't live very long at all. But it's a lunar moth. So let's go checking out some of the weather. But before we do that, thank you for all the pictures you have sent me, everybody. I am going to be using them at some point. I just can't use them all every day, but I don't get rid of them. I keep them for other days. So if you have any weather pictures that you would like to send in to share with everybody, we'd love to see them. Please click show more, scroll down, and excuse me, you will find an email address to send them to. And if it's your first time here, please subscribe, click the bell, check off the email notification to make sure you get all the latest in weather news, forecast, alerts, and tropical weather. Here's a quick check of the watches and warnings this morning. This will change as the day goes through, of course, late this evening, early tonight hours. But as of right now, I do want to mention that there was flash flooding yesterday in Rockford, Illinois. They had some flash flooding in Rockford, Illinois. As the day before, more flash flooding occurred up in the Maryland area in some portions. Boy, it's going to be hot, hot, hot. Check out the coast here from Virginia all the way down to South Carolina. And of course, everyone knows I live right over in here, this area. Well, at my house today, our heat indexes are going to feel like 105 to 109. Temperature anywhere from 99 to 100 degrees. Anywhere you see this color, very, very hot heat warnings, okay? We're here, the purple, extreme heat. Down in Texas, you guys have flash flood watches going on. And this is a flash flood warning down around Corpus Christi, Victoria, and Laredo this morning. And in the green, this is flood watches. The lighter green, flood advisories. What you see here is what's going on. And of course, this is flash flood warnings now up in this part of Arizona, California, and down in Nevada. Other than that, this is what it's looking like this morning. I'm going to start at least putting one of these in once a day. Pick a state and town day, okay? Everybody just wants a day featuring somebody. And today, Tuesday, we are in Emmett, Idaho. You should have partly sunny skies. Going to be warm, 80 degrees tonight, 55. Tomorrow is going to be sunny and really warm for you guys in Emmett. High of 88 tomorrow night, 61. Thursday, 89 degrees, mostly sunny. Looking like mostly sunny weather all the way through. For Thursday night, 59 for a low. Friday, 86. And Friday night, mostly clear with a low of 56 degrees. We have our map, our GFS map for this morning, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. As we turn it on, what is happening across the U.S.? Well, we got a frontal system that's remaining stalled over the Central Plains through the middle Mississippi Valley, Ohio Valley, and Mid-Atlantic. Now, it will continue to produce multiple rounds of rain and thunderstorms along it on the boundary line of it today, right on through tomorrow, as an upper level low provides additional support for thunderstorm development. Storms are expected to become more widespread and organized in the Central Plains today and tonight. Now, these storms could be severe. and a moderate risk of excessive rainfall. Flash flooding is in effect as well for these areas. Severe weather and locally heavy rain and flash flooding are also possible east of there along the front, with slight risk of flash flooding for today and tomorrow, and a marginal risk of severe weather today. So if you're in these areas, please be aware, okay? Now, as we move farther south, summertime scattered storms are forecast south of the front for the lower Mississippi and Tennessee valleys and the southeast, but widespread severe weather and flash flooding are not expected there. That's a good thing. And farther west, showers and thunderstorms will persist today for the northern Rockies and northern plains, with locally heavy rain possible and cooler than average temperatures. Now, a trough of low pressure as well as high moisture levels will lead to more rain for southern and southeastern Texas for today through the middle of the week, as several inches of rain is expected, and because portions of this region have seen heavy rain overnight already, moderate risk of flash flooding are in effect for today and tomorrow. Another day of hot weather is forecast south of the front for today, with above average temperatures from the middle Mississippi Valley to the mid-Atlantic and Carolinas, as we've just seen on the watches and warnings map. Heat advisories are in effect for the eastern Carolinas and southeastern Virginia areas, and they linger across portions of Missouri and Illinois, with excessive heat warnings in place for the St. Louis area. It's going to be hot, folks. The temperatures are expected to cool some, though, by tomorrow as cloud increase comes in. It's all due to the front. Now, the heat also builds into the west by Wednesday, with a few record highs possible over in the Pacific Northwest. So, that's your weather today. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out what's going on across the U.S. with the weather. Anything comes up out of the ordinary, I'm around. I'll be sure and put it up for you. Everyone have a great day. Remember, just keep your eyes on your skies around you throughout whatever you're doing today. Some of this severe thunderstorms later, not now, but later in the evening could pop up. Okay? I love you guys. You have a wonderful day, and peace, love, and kindness to each of you.